building vocabulary with the high frequency words and defining words, and make simple sentences with those words, with the high frequency words and defining words. High frequency words is very important. High frequency words and defining words are very important because in normal life we use same words repeatedly. That is the high frequency words. And also when we don't remember the word, when we don't remember the word, we can use the defining words to explain and modify the word. By doing that, we can communicate naturally by using high frequency words and defining words. That is the two words. I prefer 2,000 words, 1,000 words from high frequency words, 1,000 words from defining words. To make simple sentences, I can use easy way to by using 2,000 words. First, I can find out nouns and pronouns. Also connected with noun and pronouns, they are verbs and adjectives. These two categories connected in a sentence. Those subject and explanation or verb and adjective and the end of the sentence. Mostly these sentences are very simple sentences in any language. So we can create simple sentence by using high frequency words and defining words. Basically, I can make a table with the two categories, two words, nouns and pronouns, the one category. verb, and adjective is the other category. By doing that, we can make simple sentences and connect with them. Simply, we can make the target language. For example, in Vietnamese or in Korean. It's the same way to create the simple sentences in English as well. The practice makes perfect. This way, we can create good simple sentences by using high frequency words and defining words. By doing that, we can build vocabulary with the high frequency words and defining words. Besides, we can express our idea with the simple sentences that we create with the high frequency words and defining words. The best way to build vocabulary with the high frequency word and defining words. Also, the best way to make simple sentence by using these words with the category of noun and pronouns. The other verbs and adjectives. There will be one sentence with the subject and explanation. Now I can use this with AI. I can make some reasonable. Well, in English, make content of how to build vocabulary with the high frequency words and defining words, and the best way to make simple sentence by using high frequency words and defining words with the nouns and pronouns. The other category is verbs and subjectives. By using them, we can make simple sentences after proofreading with. I can add, yeah, give me some good contents. I use this with it, the notebook Alan, and then I can create some uh, good contents about my projects. Then make it good. Translate into Korean above. My mistake. I should speak in Korean to create the contents from the program. Anyway, building vocabulary with the high frequency words and defining more, and how to make simple sentence in any language. Building vocabulary does not require memorize thousands of rare or difficult words. Instead, most effective method for beginner is to master two powerful group of words. High frequency words. High frequency words are the words we use the most in daily life. Example which I, you, and both say good or make time they people. Why they matter? They appear everywhere in conversation. They allow you to understand 78% of normal speech. They help you speak more confidently with fewer words. Defining words. Defining words help you explain the type and place of word you cannot remember. Example, big, small, long, short, big place, person. You to make like kind of why they are powerful. When you forget vocabulary, defining words allow you to continue speaking. I forgot the word, the thing you used to often, but it's a big animal like word. I want a place, and when people buy medicine, this makes communication natural and fluent, even with a small vocabulary. A practical goal, 2004 word, we can build a strong foundation with the 1,000 high frequency words, 1,000 defining words. With these 2,000 words, then we can create thousands of sentences in any language, English, Spanish, Korean, or others. We get our start making simple sentence. We build simple natural sentence divided in two main groups. Category A, noun and pronoun. Example, I with a the go of my friend, these words. This is the subject of the sentence. Category B, verb and adjective. Go is if we like one half small pad. The new these words describe action or quality. How to build simple sentences familiar. Sentence pattern, subject, verb, or adjective extra information. I go. You are happy, the dog is big, and we want food, they feel tired. My friend is kind. These sentences are simple as well as understandable in every language. How hyperficial words and defining words to help you speak. Even with the basic vocabulary, you can say a lot. I want to sing for keeping those to place near the market is a person. We do the small work first. This method and keep the you speech simple is clear and correct, even when or absence. A simple table to practice and category A and category B, and then go, and then about the pronoun and noun, and the category B is about verb adjective. And create sentences by connect the A for B. I wanna, water, they are tired, the people like food, and then you make a food, bill. And this is the same more method for learning English, Vietnamese, Korean, or any other language. That makes perfect. And by combining high frequency words and depending where you can, building a strong vocabulary, communicate it clearly, make simple sentences, display either even when you forget a word. Speak more naturally and confidently. This method is powerful, simple, and effective for learners of all levels.